Well, let's talk about immigration and deportation. We recently told you about two men in separate cases detained by ICE after police pulled them over. One of them even deported and trying to get back here to Houston. They are among thousands facing the risk of being deported following President Trump's recent executive orders to crack down on undocumented immigrants. CW39's Kara Willis spoke to an immigration lawyer on what families can do if they're faced with similar cases.
Two men, Jose Agueta and Kevin Zaldana, are just two of the many facing serious cases with immigration and customs enforcement. Zaldana was at work on a work permit when he was detained by ICE. Thankfully, he was released after an activist paid his bond. However, when Agueta was pulled over, he was detained based on a deportation order from several years ago. His family says last Friday he was deported back to El Salvador, but never got a fair chance to fight his case in court. Immigration attorney Paul Pirela says both of these cases are becoming more common.
Individuals or non-citizens with prior removal orders are part of the group that is at most risk for immigration enforcement, because if ICE finds out that they're here, they don't need to give them the opportunity to go in front of a judge.
The Trump administration held a cabinet meeting this week recapping its progress with mass deportations. In a recent X post, Homeland Security posted, quote, President Trump and Secretary Noem have a clear message for criminals considering entering America illegally. Don't even think about it. Secretary Noem's visit to El Salvador underscores the importance of our allies in helping remove violent criminal illegal aliens from the United States. Pirela recommends families to review a free resource called Red Cards, created by the Immigrant Legal Resource Center as a guide to navigate certain rights.
We hear these stories of people that are signing basically a removal order where they're saying like, yes, I want to be deported, or I agree to be deported to my home country, without knowing that the chance that they might be able to fight a case being here.
In Houston, Kara Willis, CW39.